In this video, I will show you how to create a new prototype. To create a prototype, click on the button next to the one we use to create a new document. As we did for the document, you can fill in the basic information about your prototype, such as platform, zone, and entity. By default, the information about your entity is selected. Now we can move on and fill in the general details and all the economic information about your prototype. You can describe the socio-economic needs, social innovation aspect, and market potential of your prototype. The project financial document is a PDF document that summarizes the economic aspects of the project. Using this link, you can download the template for such document. If you have any question about this, please get in touch with the program coordinators. You can link one or more documents to the prototype from the column on the right. You can search for a specific document by using filters and search input. Finally, you can either publish the prototype right away or save it as a draft.